In a heartbeat, this episode reveals 5 simple survival tricks that turn any wild moment into confident, safe adventure. Learn a reliable fire starter using a shoelace knot and dry tinder with steady airflow to fuel flames. Build a lean-to shelter with a tarp or branches, choosing sheltered ground and smart insulation. Find clean water by noticing plant transpiration, collecting dew, and quick purification by boiling or improvised filtration. Navigate with sun, shadows, and natural signs, plus a basic map mindset so you always know your direction.